If your inbox is overflowing with notifications from TikTok, you're not alone. While staying up to date with the latest trends and updates can be exciting, too many emails can quickly become overwhelming. The good news? Taking control of your inbox is easier than you think. Here's how you can stop receiving those persistent emails from TikTok, declutter your digital life, and focus on what matters most to you. First, it's important to understand why TikTok sends you emails in the first place. When you sign up or interact with the TikTok app, you agree to receive a variety of notifications. Everything from new followers and trending videos to app updates and security alerts. These emails are designed to keep you engaged and informed. But not everyone wants to be pinged every time there's a new message or suggestion. The key is finding the right balance between staying connected and keeping your inbox clean. To start, open any email you've received from TikTok. Scroll to the bottom of the message. You'll typically find an unsubscribe link in the footer. Clicking this link will direct you to a page where you can manage your email preferences. Here, you'll be able to choose which types of emails you want to continue receiving, or opt out of all non-essential communications entirely. It's a quick and effective way to regain control over your inbox. But let's take it one step further. You can also adjust your TikTok notification settings directly within the app. Open TikTok and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the 3 lines or dots in the top right to access your settings. Navigate to Privacy and Settings, then find the Push Notifications or Email Notifications section. Here, you'll see a range of options for the types of emails and alerts you receive. Toggle off any notifications you don't want. Maybe you only want to hear about important security issues, or maybe you want to silence them all. It's your choice. Sometimes, even after unsubscribing, you might notice a few emails still trickling in. This can happen if you're subscribed to multiple types of notifications, or if changes take a little while to process. Be patient and check back in your settings to make sure all your preferences are saved. If the emails persist, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance. Another powerful tool is your email provider's built-in filters. Platforms like Gmail and Outlook allow you to automatically send certain emails to your spam or promotions folder. To use this, search for emails from TikTok, then create a filter to archive or delete them as they arrive. This way, you won't see them in your main inbox, letting you stay focused on the messages that matter most. Taking these steps doesn't mean you're missing out. Instead, you're choosing how and when to engage with your favorite platforms. Social media should work for you, not the other way around. Freeing up your inbox can boost your productivity, reduce stress, and make it easier to spot the emails that truly need your attention. At Famety, we believe in empowering you to take charge of your digital presence. Whether you're optimizing your social media strategy, growing your audience, or simply clearing out unwanted notifications, every choice you make brings you closer to a streamlined, stress-free online experience. Remember, you're in control. Set your preferences, manage your notifications, and let Famety support your journey to social media success every step of the way.